designed to utilize both the Cnt-r-KUT system along with Aquanaz technologies to enable rapid deployment in the field with superior results. The system's operating environment is primarily piping with a diameter from 3 to 6 inches and can operate at distances of over 100 feet on a 3000 psi 4 gallon per minute jetter. A unique feature of the Cnt-r-KUT is the flexible fins. This design allows for the nozzle to traverse bent and broken piping as opposed to a rigid metal design. These fins also enable on-site sizing, which combined with the nozzle's simple two-piece design can enable operators to deploy the Cnt-r-KUT Basic in under 10 minutes. The advantage that Cnt-r-KUT has over traditional nozzles is its ability to center and direct the nozzle's jets, creating even cleaning along the pipe surfaces. This, compared to a traditional nozzle which lays on the bottom of the pipe, offers superior cleaning. The Cnt-r-KUT Basic Kit comes with 3 nozzles, the first of which is the Penetrator. The Penetrator nozzle comes with a single forward penetrator jet along with 3 rear thruster flusher jets. This allows the nozzle to penetrate through debris and blast out the pipe blockage. The second nozzle included in the Cnt-r-KUT Basic Kit is the flusher. This nozzle is drilled with 6 rear-facing jets to create optimal flushing power to remove blasted debris from the pipe. The final nozzle included in the Cnt-r-KUT Basic Kit is the Deicer Degreaser nozzle. This nozzle has 3 forward jets along with 3 rear thruster flusher jets. This allows the nozzle to rapidly remove grease and ice buildup along the walls of the pipe. The Cnt-r-KUT Basic Kit comes with the following items: a lockable carrying case, a nozzle carrying case, the Cnt-r-KUT Basic assembly, 3 custom drilled nozzles, an orifice cleaner, and vane sizing tools.